Section 5 of Chapter 5 deals with the Central Limit Theorem. And to illustrate the Central Limit Theorem, I'm going to go back to a previous video we did on Section 5.2, where we used the normal CDF function to determine the probability of selecting one person who is less than 65 inches tall, or one person that is more than 72 inches tall, or one person who's between these heights. The Central Limit Theorem doesn't deal with choosing one person. It deals with choosing a group and having the group's mean be, let's say, less than 65 inches tall. I'm going to use this same data, the mean of 69.9, standard deviation of 3, and we're going to see if we have a group of people, a group of men, and let's just give it 16 for our group, and we're going to say what is the probability of those 16 men having a mean height that's less than 65 inches tall. So what I'm going to do is put into my calculator the normal CDF function, second distribution, normal CDF. We're going to have a left bound, so less than 65. We're going to put in our left bound of, let's say, 0. That's a really short person. And we're going to put in 65 for our right bound. Our mean is 69.9. And our standard deviation is 3. Now, what's different here with the 16 men is the standard deviation changes. So as you read in your book, the one number we need to change is this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide that by, now I know you know the square root of 16 is 4, but I'm still going to put it in as the square root of 16. And then I'm going to close off my parentheses and hit enter. And now we end up with a very, very small number, 3.232 e to the negative 11. In other words, there are 10 zeros in front of that 3. So the chances of you coming up with a group of 16 men who averaged that height below 65 inches is pretty much nothing.